So I have two questions for you now. I know that Uber drivers that use a Tesla get an extra dollar for every ride just for using an electric vehicle. So my questions are, do you think like that extra dollar genuinely makes a difference? And do you get any other bonuses?
It does make a little bit of a difference, but it's only $5,000, I think it is, or up to $5,000.
Oh, so there's like a cap, like you
Yeah,
can't
there's a
just
cap
do
on it.
like 10,000 rides in a year and get
Yeah,
like
no,
an
they
extra
they they they
$10,000.
capped it out at a couple of $1,000s, and then the gas. Okay, so it does help, you know, but everything is going up in price faster than with the benefits of these little things that they give you. So that's why, like, I have to work a lot. I mean, this is the only thing that I got. Um, so you gotta work it. Some people can't do it. I do it. I have to. I ain't got no choice.
Yeah.
I ain't got no choice.
Okay.